It is my pleasure to welcome you to the Singapore Semiconductor Industry Association's, or SSIA's, Electronics Industry Day 2022. Now, driven by the rise of 5G, AI, cloud computing, and other Internet of Things solutions, we are witnessing the continued strong growth of the semiconductor industry. In fact, by the early 2030s, the global market for semicon is expected to reach US $1 trillion, more than double the market last year. In Singapore, semiconductor manufacturing contributes to 82% of our electronics manufacturing output and 7% of our GDP. Semiconductors continue to be the fastest growing segment of the electronics industry, with output projected to increase 30% year on year in 2021. Now, we are proud that Singapore now accounts for close to 5% of global wafer fabrication capacity, and that the industry is poised for further growth, with around 2,000 more jobs expected to be created in the next 3 to 5 years. And with this strong demand for semiconductors expected to continue in the next 2 years, semiconductor companies along the entire value chain are accelerating expansions. As part of Singapore's Manufacturing 2030 vision to become a global business innovation and talent hub for advanced manufacturing, we aim to anchor more frontier investments to support our local manufacturing system. Last year, Singapore attracted investments from leading global semiconductor companies such as GlobalFoundries and Siltronic. Now, these companies contribute greatly to Singapore's R&D ecosystem, with high-value activities such as advanced packaging and equipment manufacturing. And we're committed to work with key industry partners and schools to raise awareness of the manufacturing sector through various talent programs and to attract more locals to join the exciting manufacturing sector. And over the years, Singapore has been building our capabilities and capacity in the electronics and semiconductor industry to strengthen the role we play in the global supply chain. JTC has developed 4 wafer fab parks, or WFPs, with specific requirements that can meet the needs of the industry. In addition, JTC is also building Semicon Space, which is a new purpose-built development in Tampines Wafer Fab Park to cater to the needs of smaller firms, and which is targeted to be completed this year. It will feature vibration-sensitive flooring, for example, with specifications to meet stringent requirements for semiconductor operations. And this is in addition to a series of physical enhancements, including building new lifestyle amenities that our WFPs will roll out to create a more attractive and vibrant environment for companies and talent alike. So as we grow our semiconductor industry, the talent crunch will continue to pose a challenge and also opportunities. So I'm really delighted to hear that SSIA is committed to nurturing a steady talent stream to meet the growing demand in the sector. For example, SSIA works with IT students through the Work-Study Diploma program. With a 70% work, 30% study model, companies can quickly address their manpower shortages, while our students benefit from receiving practical training to kickstart their career in the industry. SSIA has also introduced initiatives to cultivate talent to assume leadership roles across the industry. In fact, since 2017, the Singapore Semiconductor Leadership Accelerator program has contributed to the development and growth of senior industry leaders. The most recent edition saw the largest ever participation of 30 leaders, and we look forward to welcoming more participants over the next 5 editions of this program. SSIA has also recently debuted the SSIA Leadership in Engineering Program 2021, which targets the next generation of young and upcoming leaders who have been identified within their companies. So let me conclude by reiterating that Singapore remains committed to growing our electronics and semiconductor industry, working hand in hand with our partners and stakeholders, including the SSIA. So I would like to wish all participants a really fruitful conference ahead, and I look forward to the exciting new partnerships, opportunities, and products that will be born from the Electronics Industry Day 2022. Thank you and have a happy new year.